Welcome back to the Crypto Lodge, where you guys have been subscribing because I don't chill. I talk about the coins I'm actually buying. They've been performing very well. And I bring the mother effing ruckus. So today I want to talk about this little idea. This little strategy that I have that I use. Let's say you only have $100 to invest in crypto, and you don't want to wait 10 years. Take your time, do extensive research on all the coins under 20 million to 100 million market cap, or a little higher if you think it's something that will explode. But take that $100, find 10 of the best looking projects under 50 million market cap that you can find, and even under a million if you really think it's a good one, and put $10 into each of those projects. If only one of them does what Shiba did, what Axie Infinity did, what any coin that started young and became a top 20, 30 coin, put in 80,000% gains type of deal. So you're looking at, if only one of your $10 investments, if all the other 9 cryptos fail and go to zero, and only one succeeds and makes it to the top 30, top 20, you have life-changing wealth. That's all I wanted to share. If you like the content, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to see me go live. I go live every day. The bell notification and all. It's the only way to know when I'm streaming. And I'll see you soon with the mother effing ruckus.